if your system becomes infected with malware or if essential system files get corrupted. A system restore point can help return your system to a state before the infection or corruption occurred. To use a system restore point through the command prompt in Windows, follow these simple steps. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Check available restore points. Use the VSS administration tool to view the list of available restore points. VSS admin is a command line tool that manages the volume shadow copy service, which is responsible for creating backups or snapshots of volumes while they are still in use. List shadows is a parameter that instructs VSS admin to display a list of all shadow copies present on the system. When executed, you will typically see the unique identifier for the shadow copy. This helps you identify each snapshot. You also see the volume drive on which the shadow copy is located. The shadow copy volume will display the path to the virtual shadow copy of the volume. You also see the original volume drive from which the shadow copy was taken and the exact time when the shadow copy was created. Now use the restore point utility command to start system restore. Type rstrui executable. This is the executable file for the system restore utility. This command will open the system restore wizard, allowing you to choose a restore point and restore your system. Select choose a different restore point and click next. Choose a restore point from the list of available points and click next. From there, follow the on-screen instructions to restore your system to that point. While System Restore is useful for rolling back system files and settings, Backup Pro offers a more comprehensive backup solution that includes the ability to restore the entire system, partitions, or individual files even if Windows is unbootable. Don't miss out. Click the link in the video description below to grab Backup Pro with exclusive promo codes. Enjoy up to 40% off using codes